Nasad ako konti kanina when the host asked, sino ang nakakutala ng Philippine Eagle? Haribon, it's from Palawan.
So these are the distribution of the Philippine Eagle species. Conducting an assessment, wala ng population in Leyte since Typhoon Yolanda. And then it took us 10 years to say na wala na talaga kasi we didn't see any population or presence of Philippine Eagles in Leyte. Doon talaga sila sa bundok where less of presence ng human beings.
So welcome to the Philippine Eagle Center. Thank you. We have a breeding facility of Philippine Eagles in the world.
Alam niyo ba may mga pangalan ng ating Philippine Eagle? Like Pag-asa, that is correct. And more of them, okay? So we'll get to know more of our Philippine Eagles soon.
Okay, so one of the main reasons why they will hunt for the mic, kasi Philippine Eagles are of course relatively big birds, and then when they
bright on which
no.
age ba siya, or if old age siya, pila siya ka years before like mag-start silang kasing
Like na partnership or collaboration with the Philippine Eagle Foundation.
Okay, so for those curious minds, they have this official page as well, the Philippine Eagle Foundation. You may search it online. That is great. Hey, Philippine Eagle! I hope you had a wonderful time. Thanks to Philippine Eagle Foundation. Thank you so much.